For this recipe, we're going to need eggs, ricotta cheese, butter, chives, salt and pepper, and of course, toast. Let's start with the garnish first. Finely mince about a tablespoon of fresh chives and set them aside. Then crack 2 fresh eggs in a bowl and whisk, or rather blend them together. I'm using an immersion blender so that I can fully break down the whites and the yolks and also incorporate in lots of air to make these super light and fluffy. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium-low heat and pour in the eggs. Use a spatula to get in there and scrape the bottom of the pan to gently move the eggs around until they start to form large curds. When the eggs are almost set, fold in 2 generous dollops of ricotta cheese. Season with salt and freshly cracked pepper and mix it all in using a delicate hand. That's it! You can remove the eggs to a plate, sprinkle the chives over the top, and serve with buttered toast if you're into that, and it's time for breakfast. You can go for it.